So let us see that if f and g are two scalar point functions, two scalar point functions, two scalar point functions, prove that divergence of f del g, divergence of f del g is equal to f del square z, f del square z plus del f dot del g, del f dot del g. Okay, so this is the one we are going to prove now. So here it is, we are going to prove this. So already they mentioned f and g are two scalar point functions. So for that, first del g is nothing but simply what we'll get. So del is nothing but already we know that I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, right? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into gm. So which is equal, simply how can you write this one? G is a scalar point function, so you can multiply inside of that I dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y plus k into dou z by dou zm, dou z by dou z. This is nothing but del g. In the same way, del f is nothing but what we'll get similarly. So del f is nothing but simply we get it as I dou f by dou x plus z dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. This is nothing but del f from dou f by dou z, dou f by dou z. Sorry, dou f by dou z. And now if you apply dot product between these two, so del f dot del gm, del f dot del g. If you apply dot product is nothing but we need to multiply the coefficients of I, j and km. So simply what we'll get here, it is having dou f by dou x into dou z by dou x. The coefficients of I plus the coefficients of j. So that is nothing but dou f by dou y into dou z by dou y plus the coefficients of z k. That is nothing but dou f by dou z into dou z by dou z. And next, del square gm, here it is. So del square z is nothing but, already we know that del square is nothing but Laplacian operator. That is nothing but simply we are writing as dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square into gm. So g is a scalar point function and we can multiply this one also instead of the term. So simply what we'll get, dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square plus dou square z by dou z square. Okay, so this is del square gm. Now we take LHS what we need to prove here. So here it is, divergence of f del z is equal, divergence of f del g is equal. So divergence is nothing but del dot, right? So that is nothing but in symbolic notation del dot f del g, del dot f del gm. So which is equal to, here it is having, so simply f del g is nothing but del is nothing but what we know that I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y, and this is nothing but k dou by dou z. This is nothing but del of dot f del gm. So del g already we know that this is del g, right? So we need to multiply this with one with the f form. So simply what we'll get, I into f into dou z by dou x plus j into f into dou z by dou y plus k into f into dou z by dou z. This is f del gm. Now we need to apply dot product between these two. So dot product is nothing but already we know that. No? So dou by dou x of f dou z by dou x plus dou by dou y of f dou z by dou y plus dou by dou z of f dou z by dou z. dou z by dou z. So z is equal to, here it is having, these are differentiable functions and product of two functions. We need to apply UV rule. So f into derivative of this one with respect to x is nothing but dou square z by dou x square plus dou z by dou x into, so the derivative of f form. So that is nothing but simply what we get, dou f by dou x plus uv dash plus vu dash. Now coming to same pattern, here it is having f into, so dou by dou y of dou z by dou y is nothing but dou square z by dou y square plus dou z by dou y as this, and dou f by dou y plus, here it is having, here also product of two functions, so simply f into dou square z by dou z square plus dou z by dou z into dou f by dou z. So z is equal, we need to take common. If you see that first one and the third one and fifth one. So which one is the common one? F is the common one. If you take that one as common, what you'll get? F is the, after taking F as common one, dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square plus dou square z by dou z square plus, what about remaining? Rest of the thing you can write as this, dou f by dou x into dou z by dou x plus dou f by dou y into dou z by dou y plus dou z by dou z or dou f by dou z into dou z by dou z. So z is equal to f into, so in place of this one, what we can write here it is, if you observe that what we have here it is dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square plus dou square z by dou z square is nothing but del square z. So del square z, and in place of this total one, what we can write, del f dot del gm. So del f dot del g. So del f dot del g plus f into del square gm. Okay. So that is only we proved here. Okay. Next one. Let us see next one. To that curly curl of curly a bar. Curl of curly a bar is equal to. So this is simply the way mentioned del dot a bar minus del square a bar minus del square a bar. So if they mention in symbolic notation, same this one is nothing but curl is nothing but del cross, right? Del cross a bar. So del cross a bar is equal. So this one as this. Okay. So this one also we are going to prove by using the definitions of curl, right? So here it is having curl. So for that we need to use that. So I am taking first, so symbolic notation directly, del cross a bar, del cross a bar is equal. So first we are applying the definition of curl. So curl definition is nothing but, here it is having summation I cross dou by dou x of del cross a bar, right? Del cross a bar. So this is the one. So now let it be regular. This is nothing but equation 1. So first I am taking separately this and I am going to calculate. Why? Because here it is having again del m. So for that, so I am taking separately this. So consider I cross, without applying summation, directly I am taking I cross dou by dou x of del cross a1. Del cross a1. So this is equal to I cross dou by dou x of, and here it is again del cross a bar is nothing but curly a bar. I am applying. So del cross a bar. So that is nothing but curly a bar. So curly a bar is nothing but simply what we can write the definition again. Here it is having I cross dou a bar by dou x plus j cross dou a bar by dou y plus k cross dou a bar by dou z. Nothing I did here, it is only I applied curl definition. Here I applied curl definition by summation, and I took separately this, and again del cross A is nothing but just I applied the definition here. Okay, so which is equal to I cross, so this is nothing but dou by dou x of this total one. It means simply what we'll get here, it is having I cross dou by dou x of dou a bar by dou x is nothing but simply what we can write it as dou square a bar by dou x square plus, and next j cross, and here also same thing dou by dou x of this one, that is nothing but dou square a bar by dou x dou y plus, and next k cross dou by dou x of this one is nothing but dou square a bar by dou x dou z dou x dou z. So this is equal to, now you need to multiply this one instead of the terms now. So if you multiply this one, so what will get I cross dou square a by dou x square plus I cross j cross dou square a bar by dou x dou y plus k cross I cross, here it is having, so this is plus I cross, so again k cross dou square a bar by dou x dou z dou x dou z. Okay, so this is equal, if you observe that this is in the form of a bar cross b bar cross c bar. So what is the formula we applied morning? So we applied same thing. So a bar cross b bar cross c bar is nothing but simply which formula we are applying, a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. So this one we apply. And one more thing here it is, you need to remember I dot I is equal to z dot j is equal to k dot k is equal 1, right? And rest of all the cases that value becomes 0. I dot j at j dot k, all those things. Now you can apply the same formula for all these things. If you apply that, simply what we'll get, I dot c is nothing but here it is having dou square a bar by dou x square into b is nothing but im minus a bar dot b bar, that is nothing but I dot I into c bar is nothing but here it is dou square a bar by dou x square. This is only for first one, only this one we apply. And now coming to second one, so second one plus I dot, so simply dou square a bar by dou x dou y minus a bar dot b bar is nothing but I bar dot j into dou square a bar by dou x dou y dou x dou y. And next coming to the third one, so third one also simply what we'll get, I dot dou square a bar by dou x dou z dou x dou z minus, and simply what we'll get, I dot k into dou square a bar by dou x dou z. Okay, just the above one I applied, only this is the formula I applied. Now here it is, if you observe this, okay, so here it is, if you observe this one, simply here it is having I dot j and m, so this is nothing but 0, right? And I dot k is also 0, and I dot I is nothing but 1. So these things simply you can apply. If it is 0 and anything is 0, so it means this complete value becomes 0, and this complete value also become 0 after that. So what about remaining? So if you write those values, simply we'll get it as I cross dou by dou x of del cross a bar is equal. So after applying those things, simply what will get, I dot dou square a bar by dou square a bar by dou x square into I, right? This is the first term as it is, you can see here. So this is the first term, right? And second term I dot I equal to 1. It means simply what will get, minus dou square a bar by dou x square plus, and third term what will get, I dot dou square a bar by dou x and dou y into z bar, right? This is the second, third term. This is on I dot dou square a bar by dou x dou y into z bar. And next this term becomes 0. And next coming to third one. And for what about remaining in this plus I dot dou square a bar by dou x dou z into k. So this is the remaining one after substituting in that. So which is equal to, now here it is having. So simply what we can write this is, so I am writing as this, and I'm writing dou by dou x outside. So if I write out that one outside, what about remaining? I dot dou by dou x, right? Of course, a one. So simply dou by dou x I wrote outside. If you multiply this one, dou square a by dou x square or not. And next plus, this is as it is, we write this one finally. And here it is also same thing, z into. So here you can take common dou by dou y. If you take dou by dou y as common one, what about remaining? Dou by a by dou x plus from this. So here also what we can take? K. So k into, so here it is also same thing, I dot dou a bar by dou x, and we are taking common as dou by dou x here. Okay, so and remaining finally minus dou square a by dou x square. This is as it is. So simply what I did, I took dou by dou x is outside from the each and every term, and this one I wrote as is. Now, if you observe this, which one is the common in each and every term? So I dot dou a bar by dou x is the common one, right? This is the common. Okay. So this is the common one. So and what about remaining here it is having? If you after taking this is common one, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Here it is x. So k dou by dou z minus dou square a by dou x square. This is as it is. This is as it is. So which is equal. So this is nothing but simply what we'll write. What we'll write, this is nothing but del, right? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z is nothing but del m into I dot dou a bar by dou x. This one we got it. And next minus dou square a by dou x square. So let it be taken as this is nothing but equation 2. Why? Because equation 1 is here it is having what? This is equation 1, right? So simply I calculated only this. I didn't apply summation for that. So now I need to apply summation for that. So from 1 and 2. So substituting 2 in 1. And then simply what will get? Del cross A bar is equal to summation. So this is as is. Del I dot dou a bar by dou x minus dou square a bar by dou x square. It means simply we got it this one only with respect to x sum, right? So with respect to if you apply, we got it this. And its summation if you expand this one. So del is the common one, we can write outside. And simply here it is having what we'll get? I dou a bar by dou x. Okay, no need to expand also, simply you can write summation for this. And here it is, if you expand this summation, what will get? Minus of dou square a bar by dou x square plus dou square a bar by dou y square with respect to y. And if you apply with respect to z, dou square a bar by dou z square. So this is equal. So del into. So what is the definition of this? Summation I dot dou a bar by dou x is nothing but simply what we can write? Divergence a bar, right? This is the definition of divergence or not? And this is nothing but what? Dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square is nothing but del square and a bar as is. but they asked in symbolic notation. For that, simply what we can write, del into. Divergence is nothing but in symbolic notation del dot. So del into del dot a bar minus del square a bar. Okay. So this is the one. We are going to solve the problems. So first one, prove that del f cross del g. Prove that del f cross del g is solenoidal. Is solenoidal. Okay, so it means they are asking to prove this one as a solenoidal vector. So solenoidal vector is nothing but simply what we need to prove here. The dot product divergence of that vector is equal to 0 and chupichala. Okay, so here it is. So simply we are going to apply the identity. Here it is having divergence of a bar cross b bar is equal. So what about this? B bar dot curl a bar minus a bar dot curl b bar. A bar dot curl b bar. So this is the identity we are going to prove. So solenoidal in the sense dot product divergence of this one is equal to 0. So for that divergence of del f cross del g is equal del f cross del g. So it means in place of a is this one and in place of b bar is this one. And now you can apply this. So b bar is nothing but simply here it is having del g dot curl. A bar is nothing but here it is having del f minus a bar is nothing but del f and dot curl b bar is nothing but del g, right? Curl del g. And here also we solve one problem. So that is also we'll say that one identity. Curl of grad phi is equal what? We proved already this. Curl of grad phi is equal 0 bar, right? So here it is having grad is nothing but this is the symbol, right? Del or grad both are same. So obviously this value is equal to 0 and this value is equal to 0. So simply what we can write, divergence of del f cross del g. Del f cross del g is equal to 0. So that implies, so dot product is equal to 0. Obviously this is a solenoidal vector. So therefore del f cross del g is solenoidal. Okay, just here it is, we applied two identities. One of the identities divergence of a bar cross b bar is equal to this one, and another identity we applied here, curl of grad phi is equal to 0. By using these two identities we proved this one. Only two steps. Okay, next, second one. Prove that divergence of r bar cross a bar cross b bar is equal to minus 2 into b bar dot a bar minus 2 into b bar dot a bar, where a bar and b bar, where a bar and b bar are constant vectors. A bar and b bar are constant vectors. Okay, so now we are going to prove this one. Okay, so here it is. So divergence of r bar cross a bar cross b bar. So first we are going to take LHS. So divergence of r bar cross a bar cross b bar, which is equal, if you see that, is this in the form of a bar cross b bar cross c bar. So this is the formula what we said, see here. So this is the formula we are going to apply. A bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal, that is nothing but simply what we can write, divergence of a bar cross b bar cross c bar and a bar dot b bar, sorry, a bar dot c bar into a bar. So r bar dot b bar into a bar minus r bar dot A bar into B bar. Just I applied A bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. So this one we applied. So which is equal. So now you can multiply this divergence instead of this. Then simply divergence of R bar B bar A bar minus divergence of R bar dot A bar into B. So which is equal. So here it is having. So R bar is nothing but generally what we'll say that xi plus yj plus zk, right? This is R bar. Generally we'll say that. And B bar already they said constant vector. It means B1i plus B2j plus B3k. So this is nothing but simply what we'll get R bar dot B bar. If you apply dot product, what will get scalar or not? B1x plus B2i plus B3z, right? If you apply dot product. So it means that this is nothing but a scalar and this is nothing but a vector. So is there any identity we have? So for this, last class we proved this. What about that identity? Divergence of phi a bar is equal to divergence of phi a bar is equal to phi into divergence a bar plus a bar dot grad phi. This is the identity we proved in last class. The first identity is one on. So here it is same we can apply. So it means here it is this is nothing but phi, and here also this is nothing but phi. So by using this identity we have to apply the formula now. So if you apply that, simply what we'll get here it is having, so this is equal to, so simply here it is. So phi into divergence a bar. So phi is nothing but here it is having R bar dot B bar into divergence a bar. So divergence a bar. Okay. Plus, and next a bar dot grad phi. So grad phi is nothing but here it is having what? R bar dot B bar. So R bar dot B bar. So this is only for first one. So this is for first one. Minus of, and same we can apply here. So if you apply here also same thing, what will get? R bar dot A bar into divergence B bar. Okay. Plus B bar dot grad R bar dot A bar. R bar dot A bar. So this is equal. Here it is having. So R bar dot B bar divergence of A bar. So what about dot product of constant vector? So constant vector derivative and then obviously 0, right? So the derivative of a constant vector is 0. So for that this is 0. And next here it is having A bar dot grad R bar dot B bar. And next minus, and here also same thing. What we'll get here it is divergence B bar. B bar is a constant vector and obviously this is also becomes 0. R bar dot A bar into 0. And next B bar dot grad R bar dot A bar. So this is nothing but simply what we'll get. Here it is having, simply we have to write A bar dot B bar into R bar. And then here simply we'll get divergence of A bar dot B bar into R bar. And if we apply this one, we'll get it as A bar dot B bar into divergence R bar plus R bar dot grad A bar dot B bar. So this is equal A bar dot B bar as this, and divergence R bar. So we already proved this one. If R bar is equal to xi plus yz plus zk, then what about divergence R bar is nothing but simply we'll get it as 3. Why? Because dou by dou x of x is 1, dou by dou y of y is 1, and dou by dou z of z is 1. So this is 3 will get, and this is R bar and grad of a bar dot b bar. So this is obviously we'll get it as 0. So it means simply what about remaining here it is having, here it is the remaining one is a bar dot grad r bar dot b bar. This is the one. And next minus 3 into a bar dot b bar. So this is the remaining one. Now we are going to solve this. So a bar dot grad is nothing but what? Del m. So del simply how can you write this one? Summation I dou by dou x, right? Not dot product, just summation I dou by dou x r bar dot b bar minus this is there is no change in that. So this is as usual till the end of the problem. So this is equal to a bar dot and this is summation I into, so dou by dou x of this one. So simply what we can apply the form dou r by dou x into b bar plus r bar into dou b bar by dou x minus 3 into a bar dot b bar. So this is equal to a bar dot and this is simply here it is having summation I into dou r by dou x and down. So since r bar is equal to what? Xi plus yj plus zk. This is r bar and dou r bar by dou x is nothing but with respect to x we are applying. With respect to x means what we'll get? Only I. So simply what we can write? I dot b plus r bar into b bar is a constant one and this is 0. So minus 3 into a bar dot b bar. So this is equal to what about remaining a bar dot summation I into I dot bm. So this is equal to a bar dot. So this is nothing but I into I is nothing but obviously I dot I is equal to 1m. So it means simply what about remaining? Only b bar. So this is minus 3 as this a bar dot b bar. So this is equal minus 3 into a bar dot b bar. So just simply we can write minus 2 into a bar dot b bar. That's it. A bar dot b bar minus 3 into a bar dot b bar is nothing but minus 2 a bar dot b bar. Next one. And now we are going to curl. So curl of curl r bar cross a bar cross b bar. So divergence we applied, here it is we are going to apply curl. So which is nothing but. So simply here it is having, so curl of r bar cross a bar cross b bar. So which is equal, same like that previous one what we applied. So curl of, so this is first r bar dot b bar into a bar minus a bar dot b bar into r bar. And now you can multiply curl inside of this. So if you multiply inside of this, curl r bar dot b bar into a bar minus curl a bar dot b bar into r bar. So this is equal. If you observe this, this is in the form of curl phi m. This is the identity we are going to apply. Curl phi a bar is equal. So del phi or grad phi cross a bar plus phi into curl a bar. Phi into curl a bar. Here this is nothing but phi and this is a bar. And here also this is nothing but phi and that is a bar. Now you can apply that. So if you apply that one, simply what will get? Phi into curl a bar. So that is r bar dot b bar into curl a bar plus del phi m. So del phi is nothing but Here it is, del is nothing but grad, right? So grad of a bar r bar dot b bar, r bar dot b bar cross a bar. So this is the formula only I applied. Okay. And what about this? Is it necessary to apply the formula? So without writing, simply we can say that a bar and b bar are constant vectors. And if you apply dot product again, what will get? Suppose a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Like this you will get if you apply dot product. And cross product of this one is nothing but. So simply obviously this is 0 none. Why? Because the constant vector. So you'll get it as 0. So minus this total one as 0 will get. So which is equal, this is the remaining one. And here also same thing, curl A bar. So curl A bar is nothing but 0. So for that R bar dot B bar into 0 this is. And remaining here it is having del or grad R bar dot B bar in cross A bar. Cross A bar. And next, if you are taking grad r bar dot b bar is nothing but simply we'll get it as b bar. B bar cross a bar. If you calculate, simply we'll get it as del r bar dot b bar. Del r bar dot b bar is equal, simply we'll get it as b bar. Okay. So this is also one of the problem. Okay. Next. Next problem. If A is irrotational, if A is irrotational vector, evaluate divergence of class R bar, where R is equal. So already we know that this is nothing but xi plus yz plus zk. Xi plus yz plus zk. So already they given that. So what is the condition they give mentioned here? So a vector A bar is a, which vector this is? Irrotational vector. So irrotational vector is nothing but obviously curl of that vector is equal to 0 bar. So that is nothing but simply we have to write curl A bar is equal 0 bar. That is what they mentioned in the question. Since A bar is an irrotational vector, so for that del cross A bar is equal 0 bar. So this is one. And now we have to take this condition, divergence of A bar cross B R bar. So it means which identity we are going to apply. Just by seeing you can easily remember that. So divergence of A bar cross B bar is equal B bar dot curl A bar minus A bar dot curl B bar, right? So here A bar is nothing but A and B bar is nothing but R. And simply you can apply this R bar dot curl A bar. Curl A bar minus A bar. So A bar is nothing but A bar dot curl R bar. Curl R bar. Okay. So this is equal, simply what we can write R bar dot curly A bar. As per the given condition, what is that? Curly A bar is equal 0 bar, right? Minus A bar dot curl R bar. Curl R bar. So which is equal, simply what we got it, minus A bar dot curl R bar. Of course, we already calculate this. Do you remember this one? Curl R bar is nothing but simply what we got it. So R bar is nothing but xi plus yz plus zk. So curl R bar is nothing but. So simply here it is having I, z, k, and the curl is nothing but dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z. And this is nothing but x, y, z. So simply here it is having what we'll get I into. So dou by dou y of z 0, and this is also 0 minus j into. This is also will get 0. Dou by dou x of z, dou by dou z of x plus k into. So this is also what we'll get. Dou by dou x of y is 0 and dou by dou y of this one is 0. So curl r bar is equal to 0. It means simply what we can write from this. Therefore, divergence of a bar cross r bar is equal to what we got it 0. Why? Because here it is curl r bar is equal to 0 bar, and a bar is a vector and 0 bar is also a vector, and we are applying dot product. Obviously, we get a scalar. So that is nothing but 0. Okay. Next, so that first one, a bar dot del into phi is equal to a bar dot del phi, a bar dot del phi, and second one, a bar dot del into r bar is equal to a bar. So this is all simply short answer type. Okay. So here it is already we know that. What about del phi? So del is nothing but already we know that. What about del? Del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Right? K dou by dou z. And next, del phi is nothing but simply what we'll get. So I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. This is nothing but del phi we get. Now you take first one. So first one, a bar dot del, a bar dot del. So is nothing but. So a bar is a constant vector. Simply we are choosing as a1i plus a2j plus a3k dot. Del is nothing but already we know that I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou by dou z. So this is equal. If you apply dot product between these two, so simply what we'll get a1 dou by dou x plus a2 dou by dou y plus a3 dou by dou z. A3 dou by dou z. And now you are multiplying this one with phi. So a bar dot del into phi. We are multiplying with phi. So if you are multiplying with phi, what you will get? A1 dou phi by dou x plus a2 dou phi by dou y plus a3 dou phi by dou z. So this is equal. So can you write this one as nothing but a1i plus a2z plus a3k dot, and this is dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into z plus dou phi by dou z into k. So if you write, if you apply dot product, are you getting same or not? See here, a1 dou phi by dou x plus a2 dou phi by dou y plus a3 dou phi by dou z. This is nothing but already we know that a bar dot, and this is nothing but simply already here we wrote. So what is that? Del phi. So a bar dot del phi. This is okay. So this is only first one. And now coming to second one. So second one here it is having already very well known. So r bar is nothing but simply we write xi plus yz plus zk. Okay. And then r is equal to magnitude of this one is nothing but simply we write square root of x square plus y square plus z square. And dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, and dou r by dou y, all those things. And now dou r by dou x is equal to r bar ki derivative. So r bar derivative is nothing but I will get, right? Dou r by dou y is nothing but simply what will get j, and dou r by dou z is nothing but simply what will get k, right? With respect r column, r bar ki derivative. Okay. And now you take LHS. So a bar dot del into r, a bar dot del into r. So this is equal. A bar dot del is nothing but, is this only right? Okay. So this is only no. So simply what we can write, that is in we are writing as a summation notation. Summation a1 dou by dou x of rm. Here it is what they mentioned, not r bar, r bar. Okay. So this is equal summation a1 into dou by dou x of r bar is nothing but what we got it I, right? A1i. So if we expand this summation, what will get a1i for with respect to x, with respect to y, j, and with respect to k, with respect to z, k. So a1i plus a to z plus a to k is nothing but a bar, right? That one only they asked to prove, that one or not. Okay, this is one. The next one. So prove that f cross del dot r bar is equal to 0. And second one, f cross del cross product cross r bar is equal minus 2f minus 2f bar. So here it is first one, so single line. So first one here it is f bar cross del dot r bar is equal. So this is nothing but simply summation f bar cross del, and this is nothing but simply we are applying dou by dou x dot product. Okay, so this is equal summation f bar cross I one. So f bar cross im. Yeah, so dot product definition we apply. So this is equal simply what we can write summation f bar cross I into dou by dou x is nothing but just now we calculated, that is nothing but I. So here it is having simply what we'll get. So I dot I is equal to 1, and cross product is between these two is nothing but obviously constants. So simply cross product you will get it as that is nothing but 0. So that is only first one. And second one, f bar cross del. First you can calculate this. F bar cross del is nothing but simply del definition in f bar cross I into dou by dou plus f bar cross j dou by dou y plus f bar cross k dou by dou j. Just we applied the definition. And now here it is again we are applying cross product for this. F bar cross del cross r bar. So this is equal. So simply what we can write. So f bar cross I cross dou r bar by dou x. So again we are applying the definition of this plus f bar cross say cross dou r bar by dou y plus f bar cross k cross dou r bar by dou z, dou r bar by dou z. So this is equal simply what we can write dou r bar by dou x is nothing but I, right? Plus this is nothing but f bar cross j, this is cross j plus f bar cross k cross k. Okay. So this is equal simply what we'll get. So if you apply dot product for this, so f bar dot I, f bar dot I into I, okay, minus then simply what we are applying a bar cross b bar cross c bar, a bar dot c bar into b bar, and then a bar into, so this is I dot I. And next in the same way here it is f bar dot say into z minus f bar into j bar dot j plus f bar dot k bar into k minus f bar into k dot k. So simply what we'll get here it is having, so this is equal first one f bar dot I into f, and next not into f, sorry, into I, into I. So here it is I dot I is equal to 1 and j dot j is equal to 1 and k dot k is equal to 1. So it means simply what we'll get here it is having this is f bar dot j into z, and next plus f bar dot k into k, okay, minus 3f bar. Why? Because here it is minus f bar, minus f bar, and minus f bar. So minus 3f bar. So also is equal. Here it is having. So simply what we can write. So this is nothing but I dot I is nothing but 1 will get. So this is simply we'll get it as f bar. So throughout. And this is nothing but minus 3f bar already. Okay. So this is equal. Simply we can write it as minus 2f. Minus 2f bar. Okay. So